Strong love. Not in strong love.
It's very fun.
Yan. Nadipulungan ini po yung nakasama ni Tuyong.
Silly, I want to try.
Are you? Is it the chicken sauce?
Straight down, but
Like from other side.
from X side. Okay.
To making the stock, we blanch the fresh chicken bone until the blood gone. And then after that, we change the water. Give it a go. And then we boil it again with the new water. We're adding smashed onion, celery, spring onion, bay leaf, and salt. We boil it. On the paprika, 1 tablespoon. A lot of lime. A lot of lime. So these are like spicy salad, garlic, sorry. So when the oil comes, I will do this fish. We try to make it consumer like yeah. We try natural one first, but if you couldn't have, then we take it. So do you love the vegetable like medium crunchy? Al dente. Now you can squeeze the lime, please. But do not drop it. And then some of them are
Just a bit south from Central.
now you can just take it raw because the vegetables still very hot.
What?
At the moment,
Where's the Chengu? Thank you. Where's the Chengu?
how far away was that?
Further up. Yeah.
90 minutes.
And the chicken stock.
Oh my god.
Did you get a driver or did you get a Grab?
Now we need to season it with the pepper, less than a quarter pepper.
Very different, isn't it?
Less than a quarter, don't too much, not too much. Half spoon fried sauce.
Oh, fine, I'll serve it. That's a soup.
Half spoon.
I hope it's my salty one.
Yeah, I don't know how they.
Oh yeah.
You'll
One is
know.
mine.
When the stock bubble, then we can add the vegetable.
Oh yeah, you can get it.
Thank you.
Wouldn't that be deep?
Oh, it's bubbling, right?
So where are you guys from? Yeah, Singapore. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sydney. How do you cut them
I'm
in
from
little
Tasmania.
flowers?
When we
No,
peel
I'm
the
from
skin and then we
Melbourne, so
peel
it's different.
like a flower. Because when we cooking with it
Guatemala.
to make the eyes hungry first.
Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, wow, and we also used
Coconut
Oil, right?
oil, yeah.
so salty.
That's your one.
Can you pass me that chili thing? What is that?
I've never been to Singapore. Yeah. Cool.
You're from Sydney, you say?
Yeah.
It's a bit like Sydney.
Really? Oh. Beaches and
Without,
No, yeah, without the beach.
I mean, we do have beaches, but not the nice beaches.
어, 맵다.
delicious.
I like the soup.
Yeah, it's good. food in